Hi, do you want to know a bit more about personal brand? I'm Jennifer. I'm a Brisbane based writer, editor, and cookie lover, and I coach others to write meaningful books. So, brand is not simply about the look of your dress or the look of your logo. The personal brand for marketing system encompasses a consistent look and persona, what you do, what you say, your message that is, how authentic you are, your giving difference, and your free content, especially on your website. But what is a personal brand? A personal brand is a cohesive identity that is associated with a person rather than a business, and this identity can be used in a variety of ways, like to brand an author's look of their books, their blog and sales platform, or to give a blogger a look, quirkiness, ethos, and colours that tie into their blogging aims. So, this is a brand board. You can set up your brand board for yourself or a business and put all the colours there and what kind of fonts you're going to have and pictures. So, is it your time to shine? I've got a paperback out about my personal brand, which is helping you to coach you through setting up your own personal brand, and it's very simple language. Thank you.